Hi there. So now I'd like to show you a little tutorial for the second side of Visvamitrasana, the second posture in the advanced series of Ashtanga Vinyasa Yoga's sequences. So Visvamitra was also an interesting sage, along with Vashtista, the first posture of the advanced series. So I'm going to show you a trick that was taught to me by Mary Taylor, who's a wonderful yogini and a brilliant teacher. And it's a little bit unconventional. I used to try to swing my leg directly onto the arm, which I saw a video of Mr. Iyengar doing once upon a time when he was a teenager. I can't do that, so what I'm going to show you is what Mary showed me, and I've been practicing it for some time now. It's really effective, so maybe you'd like to try it out. Taking your hands into the downward facing dog pose, so we're going to assume you've already gone through the sun salutation movements, or actually I think you just go right into it here. So from the downward facing dog, second side of Visvamitrasana, bending the knees, head behind the arms, then you're going to wrap that left leg around the left arm and take your left foot as close to the right hand as you can. So wrap it over. And then from here, work your shoulder under the leg, kind of like you would for Kurmasana or Titibhasana, bringing the knee as close to the shoulder as you can. Turning the back foot in, so you want to try to stay on the floor with the back foot, get a nice angle towards the front of the mat. Now, exhale here and clamp the knee down. So squeeze with the arm, squeeze with the leg rather, and take the right arm to the side of the thigh. Once you've found the balance, immediately inhale to extend the left arm and extend the right arm. Excuse me, that's your left leg. And stay here for 5 breaths. After the exhalation, the hand will come down as you exhale. Take the hand forward now and inhale. We don't have a name for this one officially, but you might call it Kundanyasana. Exhaling back to Chaturanga Dandasana and inhaling, of course, into your upward facing dog before returning to downward facing dog. So those first 2 poses, this one and Vashistasana, are really challenging and definitely a nice cardiovascular workout. So take your time, breathe, and enjoy your process.